Here is our attempt at cleaning tent tops. This is not something that we specialize in, but this is apparently how big dogs do it. Put a bunch of tables under it and clean. I don't think they're supposed to be standing on top of it like that. I guess they got their shoes off. But we do sometimes send them over to a tent cleaner, put them in. They have like a tent washer, but we have noticed that that does kind of mess up the threads. But I would love to know for you tent pros, what is a better way to clean tents? So we use Ship Tent Cleaner, works really, really well. We have the put a bunch of tables under there, and then we lay our tent tops. We do one side and then flip it over and do the other side. That is it's incredibly annoying. I'm very grateful that I have guys doing this for me. I would hate to be the one doing this, but that is the only way. And this guy's just talking over there, not doing any work. Having fun, Dylan? All right. So yeah, love to hear what's wrong with this picture.